Now, the local manufacturing sector is among the gainers of the proposed amendment bill to the Finance Bill 2024 after exemption of the eco-levy on locally manufactured goods, including packaging materials, batteries, the ones that we use, the hygienic products as well. However, brewers and alcohol distillers will pay excise duty on alcoholic beverages on the basis of alcohol content and not the volume. Here's Regina Manyara with a comparative analysis on the would-be impact if the proposed amendments are adopted.
The Kenya Association of Manufacturers, in its submissions to the National Planning and Finance Committee and the Finance Bill 2024, argued that the eco-levy was a duplicate of existing levy mandated under extended producer responsibility schemes that would likely reverse Kenya's initiatives to create a circular economy.
Still a mandatory requirement in Kenya, and what we are saying is that, there are no guarantees that even that 50 billion is going to be allocated purely to NEMA and the county government so that they're able to collect that waste in the environment.
According to the manufacturers, eco-levy, if enacted, would have nearly doubled the packaging cost by 100% in cases where the cost of the raw materials is equal to the proposed levy. For instance, a bar of soap used for washing clothing, utensils and bathing would increase from 170 shillings to approximately 270 shillings.
Cement, detergents, eco-levy. Look at the batteries. Your car battery is 12 kgs. The cost, 8,500. The levy now, 9,000.
However, the proposed exemption provides a buffer against imports and is likely to spur uptake of locally produced goods.
Imposing this on locally manufactured goods would again increase the cost of those locally manufactured goods in the country and stand a risk of making them not competitive in the East African market and globally. Therefore, this eco-levy will only be chargeable to imported finished products.
As such, locally manufactured products including sanitary towels, diapers, phones, computers, tires and motorcycles will not attract the eco-levy. On the other hand, the cost of spirits and liqueurs is likely to increase after the committee maintained that alcoholic beverages will now be taxed on basis of alcohol content and not volume.
Therefore, those alcohol manufacturers that are producing alcohol of very high content will now be required to pay higher duty because based on the alcohol content, and those making alcohol of lower content now will pay less duty.
The higher the alcohol content, the more excess duty it will attract. The courier-led team has also imposed excise duty on imported table eggs, onions and potatoes.
It makes our onions, our eggs and our potatoes more marketable to us and the region.
A welcome move to farmers, but consumers will continue to shoulder the high cost of production. However, the proposals remain as proposals till tabled, debated, voted and adopted by Parliament and assented to for implementation. Regina Manyara reporting for Prime Edition.